In this video, I'll show you how to hand plane wood step by step. Hand planing is a fundamental skill that allows you to shape and smooth wood surfaces using a manual hand tool called a hand plane. Before you begin the job, ensure that your hand plane is sharp and properly adjusted. A dull blade will make the process much more difficult and yield poor results. To sharpen the blade, use a sharpening stone or honing guide following a consistent angle of around 25 degrees. Keep a small honing guide in your toolbox to maintain the blade's sharpness easily. Prepare the wood surface you intend to plane by removing any roughness or irregularities. Begin by marking any high spots or areas that need attention with a pencil or a marking knife. This will help you identify the areas that require more planing. Start by holding the hand plane with both hands, ensuring a firm grip. Place the plane at the edge of the wood and apply even pressure while pushing it forward. Aim for shallow cuts to avoid chipping. Repeat this process across the entire surface, making sure to overlap each pass slightly. Periodically check your progress by running your hand or a straight edge across the surface. Look for any remaining high spots or areas that still need to be planed. Remember, the goal is to achieve a flat and smooth surface. As you approach the final stages of planing, adjust the depth of the blade to take finer cuts. This will help you achieve a smoother finish. Maintain a steady pace and continue planing until the entire surface is even and free of any imperfections. Hand planing can be challenging, especially for beginners. A common issue you might encounter when hand planing is tear out, where the wood fibers tear instead of being cut cleanly. The solution to this is using a higher blade angle. Another possible issue is planing against the grain, which can cause difficulties in achieving a smooth finish. For this issue, change the direction of planing. Another pro tip to reduce tear out is to use a low angle block plane. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome woodworking content. Thank you for watching. See you next time.